Hi friends, a small video to update you guys on what can be done in case you have my earlier edition of the AFM material, because I've been getting messages from many students that we have the first edition material or the second edition material. How do we get those newer questions, or how do we complete our preparation? Now, just to give information first, till now I've released three editions of AFM book, a comprehensive book. I'm very confident about the coverage in the book. So three editions, the soft copy is available for students. Each edition, in the initial pages I would have mentioned, it is covering what MTP, what RTP, and what suggested answer. Let's assume you have my second edition of the material. In the second edition, I have covered May 2023 suggested answer, November 2023 mock test paper, and May 2024 RTP. What you need to do now? Cover the RTP after that, cover the MTP after that, cover the suggested answers after that. Now, how do I cover it? There, I am going to help you. You need not do anything from your end. I am going to guide you. Now, what you need to do? Let's assume you have to cover November 24 RTP. I have my notes folder which I've shared with all of you in Telegram, in my WhatsApp status. There you go, CA final AFM. There's a suggested answers folder, there's an RTP folder, there's an MTP folder, and there's a material. You want my latest material? Download from this edition 3, edition 2, edition 1, whichever material you want. Assume you don't want to go through the entire material, open the RTP. In the RTP, I have November 24 RTP. RTP November 24, which is not covered in the second edition. What you need to download it. I have downloaded it and seen here. Now, what you have to do is very simple. Against every question, you see question 2, it says same as question number 17 of chapter 8. Same as question number 17 of chapter 8. Two choices. You can ignore this question altogether. Same means numbers can change, but adjustments remain the same. Or because it is an MCQ format, you can solve it if you want. Same basically means question which can be ignored by you. Question number 3, against every question you will see a comment. Similar. Similar basically means some adjustment new is there. Ideally, you can solve it by referring to question number 50 of chapter 9. By referring to question number 50 of chapter 9. For example, question number 6, again similar word is there. Similar means some adjustment is there. Here, same means you can ignore it. Same question you can ignore it. Similar question you can do it. Similar you have to do it. Same question fully you can ignore it. Like this you can quickly cover the MTP RTP. Same, ignore question number 7. Same, ignore question number 8. No need to see it. Question number 9, ignore it. No need to do it in the RTP. Similar, yes, please, you have to do it. Some adjustment could be there, new. You may have to see this. Same, please go ahead and ignore this question. Same, go ahead and ignore this question. Same, go ahead and ignore this question. This is how, same, go ahead and ignore. This is how you are going to cover extra question. This is on the RTP side. Let's see if I have to see MTP. MTP November 24. MTP 1 November 24 is there. MTP 2 is there. You have to see all of this. Now, depending on your coverage, you will have to see those extra items. I've been telling the students that just open and download from this and you go here. Same, you can ignore it, but it's an MCQ format. I would want you to solve the MCQ just to get that little bit of a comfort, because some theory oriented question can be there. Similar, please do it. Similar means you have to do it fully. Same, MCQ, you can try it. Same, descriptive, ignore it. Ignore. Same means please ignore it. Similar, do it. Same, ignore it. Same, ignore it. Similar, do it. Same, ignore it. Many question will be exactly same. Exactly same. You can keep ignoring them. Same, ignore it. Same, ignore it. Like this, if you go ahead and check, you will be covering 2-3 question in every MTP and RTP. Only 2-3 question. Exam question also very limited you are going to see. So depending on what you have covered earlier, this is what I've been telling students, but somehow they were not getting it. So I thought I'll record a video. Depending on, now you have bought my third edition. Third edition, I have covered this. As ICI releases November 24 suggested, they've already released it. I wait for ICI to release one suggested, one MTP, and one RTP combo. I'll upload that also in my the drive link. What do you need to do? Download it depending on whenever you're writing your exam. You will see this drive getting uploaded with new notes. I am going to travel along with you till you write your exam. So don't even worry about it. No need to buy my new material. No need to buy my new material. Don't try to confuse yourself with the new material. If you've used an old material, continue using it. Cover only the new MTPs, new RTP, new suggested. That's point number one. This is the first thing I wanted to say. Second thing I wanted to say is some confusion has come of May 25 material. That is ICI has released a study mat. I have already covered a video on this. You can see it. I'll refer a link on that. But it is altogether 8-page change. Only 8 page. Nothing much has changed. You go through this PDF, you'll understand it. Maximum 8-page changes. 8-page changes as far as the study material is concerned. As far as the study mat is concerned, very limited change, nothing much for you to worry about. This is on the new study mat. The third development, which is an important development from my side, I am coming out with something called as an AFM charts book. This will be given in the soft copy form, no plan of printing as of now. In this you will see me covering the various concept in a chart form or in a flow chart, which is easy for a student to understand. And you will see concept numbered, concept 1, concept 2. Sometimes I would have renumbered the concept. From concept 1 2 I suddenly will move to concept 5, concept 4. This is my third edition reference. Whichever book you have, if you have second edition, refer it to the second edition. The name of the concept will be same. Concept number will also be very similar. So you can refer this chart book for quick revision. This is another update I wanted to say. So first update is how do you cover complete your preparation, because lot of doubts. Very simple. Look at what has been covered in your edition and cover the extra suggested answer, extra MTP, extra RTP, nothing beyond that. Let's be very, very clear. I don't want you to see anything beyond it. Now, how do I find those extra material? Where do I download? My drive link, which is for not only final students, inter student notes are also there. There also I cover it. So, CA final AFM, go it, essay, RTP, MTP, and material, download it. The chart book also will come into this moment I complete my preparation. The chart book preparation is going on. This is on the preparation of complete, that is completion of your preparation. Also, I think I have been getting messages on doing some selective preparation. That is, what can I prioritize my for my exams preparation? Prioritization, are you technically called as important question? Ideally I don't give it because so many requests have come and now I'm left with no choice. I'll tell you what you can do. Again, if you have my edition 3, use this. If you have edition 2, from the edition 3, look at these questions and then do it in edition 2. What you will do, I'll open this. Wherever word you see study mat, please cover those questions. First question you have to cover in risk management, study mat word is there. This you can ignore if you want. It's a May 2018 exam question. Study mat word is not there. If you want, you can ignore it. Question 3, you can ignore it. Question 4, you can ignore it if you want. If you want, you can ignore it. Wherever the word concept revision is there, 100% you have to see. Wherever the word concept revision, wherever the word study mat, 100% you have to see. Other question, if you have time, see it. If you don't have time, it'll cover in MCQ in the concept book. Concept book MCQ you have to complete. So how do you do selective preparation? Every chapter. So let me go to a bigger chapter like security valuation. If our Let's come to security valuation. It has so many questions. So how do I prioritize the preparation? Let's look at it. Page 100. So I have come to this chapter on security valuation. I'll very simply tell you how can you prioritize your preparation. Ignore. You can ignore. You can ignore. This is basically to do quick preparation. Ignore. 100% do it, because here both Walter and Gordon gets covered. Concept revision. Concept revision. Study mat word is there. Cover it. Ignore it if you want. Study mat word is there, cover it. Study mat word is there, cover it. Study mat word, concept revision, both words are there, cover it. Ignore it. Study mat word is there, cover it. Study mat word is there, cover it. You can ignore it. Study mat word is there, cover it. You can ignore it. Concept revision word is there, cover it. Concept revision word is there, cover it. Ignore it. So this is how you can do selective prioritization. I don't believe in selective prioritization, but I know very well the word where concept revision is marked, SM is marked, that itself will take care of 80 to 90% of the exam paper. It kind of will take care of 80, unless it's a very very tough paper, which is a different story. Otherwise 80 to 90% paper can be managed with this. So I have recorded this video to explain three things. One, how do you cover new MTP RTP and suggested answer? That's point number one. Second, your study mat changes I've discussed about. Third, I've discussed about my chart book. And fourth, how do you do selective preparation or selective prioritization of question. Third edition material you take. From there, you see the word SM and concept revision. Do all of that. If you have second or the first edition, wherever the word SM concept revision is there, you mark in your book accordingly if you have the second or the first edition. And in case you do not have my book, you want to buy the books, please buy the hard copy from Bharadwaj Institute. You can go to the academy and get it, or you can also get it done couriered, or you can print. The printing cost and our book cost is going to be same. We sell it at 810 rupees if you go to the academy, and if it's in the courier route, 1080 rupees. It will be very easy for you to complete entire preparation. Selective preparation, last minute preparation, the word SM and concept revision, the word SM and concept revision. Thank you, friends.